In this video, I will show you a drip irrigation tool that has been recycled from some used materials. The first thing we need is a large bottle. Make a small hole at the bottom of the bottle. Next is the bottle cap. We also made a hole, but bigger. The hole on the bottle cap has been completed. The second item is a broken motorcycle tire. As you can see, it has a pretty large hole in it. We cut out the valve part of the tire tube. Remove all unnecessary parts. It's done. Then we use pliers to remove the valve leg. Attach the valve leg to the bottle cap and tighten it up. Please pay attention to this black lid. At the end of the video, you will see its benefits. The third item is a piece of wire. A small iron rod, 30 centimeters long. The fourth item is an iron ring. I found it in the old key. We use a metal rod to assist in threading the wire through the bottle. And hook the ring onto the string. Very secure, guaranteed not to slip. Then let's tie a knot to create a hanging hook. It is complete. Next, pour water into the bottle. Screw the cap on tightly. Now, let's see if it works. This black lid serves as a protective cover. The second function is used to open and close the valve. It works very smoothly. Please hang the bottle up. You can adjust the drip rate as you wish. So we have completed and recycled the discarded items. Become a watering tool with a drip mode, suitable for those who have long business trips or do not have much time to take care of plants regularly.